When am I doing it? My name is Anya and I went to school at Porth County Comprehensive School where I also studied for sixth form. I then went to university at University South Wales and studied medical sciences where I graduated in 2018. And I'm now currently in my fourth year of studying medicine at Cardiff University. So in addition to studying medicine at Cardiff, I also care full-time for both my elderly grandparents who suffer with Alzheimer's disease and mobility issues. I decided that I wanted to speak on camera today just to emphasise that everybody's path into higher education is slightly different. No two paths will ever be the same, and that despite facing challenges, there are ways to overcome these, and that higher education should be accessible for everyone despite these differences that we may have. So I feel like in my past I've had quite a lot of experiences that have shaped me as a person that I am today. So firstly, when I was 7 years old, I sadly lost my mother quite suddenly. So my mother's death introduced me to the role of a doctor and potentially to open my eyes to a career in medicine. So from this point I was then adopted and raised solely by my grandparents, and then I decided that I wanted to pursue a career in medicine. However, whilst I was at school, I was given not the greatest support and advice. I was told that my dreams were a bit too ambitious and that I needed to just lower my expectations and that I wasn't going to succeed, to maybe consider pursuing a different career pathway. So I decided to apply anyway and pursue my dream of becoming a doctor, and here I am. So I think that I started truly believing that I could be a doctor. In all honesty, I still think there's a part of me that does still doubt it, because I did have a lot of people who didn't believe in me when I was younger. But I think that I know that I can achieve this. So I think the key moment was probably when I started medical school and when I started placements and started working on wards and working with other people and just realising that this does come naturally to me. I am very good with people and taking care of people, looking after people. And I do just truly want to help everybody that's around me. I feel like the most rewarding part about studying medicine is you often see patients at their most vulnerable when they come into hospitals. Quite often it could be the worst day of their lives. And just knowing that you're able to help them in some small way, and just the look of their faces when they are grateful and then they thank you, just knowing that you're able to help people and sometimes make their situations that bit better. I also wish to be successful within my career, so that would be qualifying as a doctor in whichever field or whichever speciality of medicine that may be, and just always being open to opportunities that may come my way. A particular interest that I also have is widening access not only to higher education and medicine, but just further opportunities, and the particular interest of that is in schools such as my own with deprived socio-economic areas, and just helping people enter higher education. I would say that studying at university has definitely been one of the best decisions I've ever made. I've met so many friends for life, I've experienced so many new things, and I'm on my way to becoming a doctor.